Hi everyone! Good morning. Pero actually, it's an afternoon already. Pero super late and super slow talaga ng Mondays ko. So, it's just going to start ngayong oras. I haven't refreshened up. I woke up a bit late today, which medyo happy ako kasi parang na-complete din yung tulog ko. Kasi usually, 6 hours, 5 to 6 hours lang yung sleep ko lately. But today, nakatulog ako ng more than that. Hello! I'm back. So, successful. We were able to fold our clothes. Naayos natin yung kwarto. Nakapag-walis tayo and everything. Nakapagluto na rin tayo ng lunch. So, medyo magka-downtime lang ako. Anyway, bye! I'm back. So, ayan, nakaligo na ako. Very fresh na tayo. So, mag 6 o'clock na. Sadly, hindi ako nakapag-gym today. But, tomorrow, bawi tayo. So, medyo overwhelming because na-realize ko ang dami ko palang kailangan gawin. Pero, ayun, I'm just going to do some random things before I do the other things that I need to do. Like, yung parang kunyari, madami kong kailangang ipasa or gawin. Pero maglilinis ka muna. So, yun, yung mga ganong bagay. I'll also do that because it helps me na medyo i-pace yung sarili ko sa kailangan kong gawin. So, the random task that I was talking about was, I'm going to clean my nails. Kasi super nababother na ako sa nails ko. Dahil ang haba na nila. And yan, medyo hindi na maganda tignan. We're done cleaning. Ayan. One thing that really helps me as a very madaling ma-overwhelm na person, pero at the same time, kailangan ma-manage yun kasi nga madaming ginagawa, is I pray. So, it's very different when you start something with a prayer, lalo na if you feel like you're stuck, you don't know what to do, you don't know how to start it and everything. So, sobrang iba talaga pag nag-seek ka ng guidance, ng wisdom and everything from the Lord. Ayun, so, if you're overwhelmed, breathe in, breathe out, take a minute break, you know, parang don't be too hard on yourself. So, I need to focus. And I'm gonna be right back, okay? Bye! So, it's already 10:41. So, I'm going to end my day with devotion. So, yun, medyo low energy na ako. And, ayan, we're going to find strength with the Lord. And syempre, thank the Lord for all of the things that happened today. Grace din talaga niya. And siya din yung nagbigay ng strength sa akin para matapos yung araw na to. And yung mga kailangan kong gawin. Ayun, let's have the personal time with the Lord. And I'll see you on my next one. Bye!